Hi, it's the Lipstick Gal. Thank you so much for watching today. I am so excited. My Beautylish Lucky Bag arrived today, and all I've done is cut like this portion right here. So I cut the tape. I haven't opened it yet. I can't wait to see what's inside. So I'm going to open it, get a few things ready to go because I don't want you to have to hear all the crinkling and stuff. Give me just a sec. Oh my goodness, the paper that they have it wrapped in this here is so cute. This is a little tag that comes with it. But look, the paper is like, it's actually like a cartoon. Adorable. I love. And the card says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." Lucky Bag 2025 Beautylish. I always give the paper to one of my kids who's super artistic. They're going to love this one probably more than any of the others they've ever had in the past. All right, so first thing I'm pulling out of the box. Oh, this is kind of expected. There's always a good molecule, something in the box. This is their lightweight daily moisturizer. And this has avocado seed oil in it, hyaluronic acid. And it's just a lightweight daily moisturizer. I have never tried this product from Good Molecules. But we're getting 100 mils or 3.3 fluid ounces. So it's a decent amount. I'm sure it's really affordable, and it's nice to know if I like it. I can go and pick it up again at Ulta. I don't have to buy it, I hate to say that, from Beautylish. But I like that Good Molecules is carried in Ulta as well. Here's the next item. This is from Orbe. This is the Run Through Detangling Shampoo. I remember I got the Gold Lush shampoo one year, and I didn't use it. I gave it to a friend. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. This just says lather, indulge, and rinse. Well, is there anything more on here about this? It's for all hair types and textures that tend to tangle. Hello. Softening shampoo adds slip and lightweight moisture for effortless combing and styling. It smells slightly floral. It's not like, I felt like the Gold Lush one smelled delicious. This one smells okay. The next product in here is from Super Egg. This is a Sound Renewal Serum Cream. This is interesting. Has peptides, EGCG, hydrogenated lecithin, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. I've never heard of this brand. Is this a brand you're familiar with? Ooh, it's kind of a neat little compact here. And I'm assuming we just, yeah, okay. I didn't try the one from Good Molecules, but let's see what this looks like. It's kind of a lightweight feel. Very hydrating. The backs of my hands need it. I'm still getting rid of the bruise that I got while somebody was trying to start an IV on me the other day. I have a mark on each hand. But it feels nice. Doesn't have a scent to it. A nourishing serum cream with a high-performing botanical extract and antioxidants that renews the skin. It leaves you with a luminous complexion. I can't tell you how much I like the little round package, and the Super, Egg NYC, it almost looks and feels like an egg. It's not that oval feeling, but it looks so cute. I like this. We're getting 2 fluid ounces here, which I think is good. Normally, if we're looking at face creams, we're usually getting 1 ounce traditionally here in the United States. I do love that a lot of European and K-beauty brands tend to do something a little bit larger, like 1.7, sometimes 2. And to get several ounces here, we're getting 2 fluid ounces here and 3.3 fluid ounces here. I think that's just really great. I like that it's not just down to that 1 ounce size, which I just burn through like that. Ooh, I got a gloss from Sicily. This is Lafito Gloss, and this is their Intense Glow Lip Gloss in the shade 10 Star. I wonder what shade this is. Oh, is it really red? I think it might be. Ooh, girl. Oh my goodness. It is like bright red. Should we throw some on? Hold please. I always have to know when it comes to a red lippy. This definitely has a little bit more opacity to it than I was expecting. I feel like it's definitely more of a red as opposed to like a sheer kind of cherry wash. Okay, it's rather pretty. I really wasn't expecting it to be this opaque. And I don't feel like it's kind of collecting and pooling in the corners. I also feel like we're getting just the right amount when you pull out the doe foot. Could you over apply if you're a chronic over applier like me? Probably. But I feel like you're getting just the right amount where you wouldn't, if you just pull it out once and apply, you're going to get a nice coating. You're going to get some of that depth of color. I mean, that's one swatch right there, just one. And I think that something similar is going to be found on the lips. I'm really curious to see what this wears like and whether it finds all of my fine lines and goes places I kind of expect it might, because it's a gloss. But so far, oh, she's very pretty, very shiny, and I love a red. Okay, next thing in here is from Slip. This is one of their Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchies. I've heard that this is not something like you can't buy an individual one. They come, I think the smallest they come is in sets of 3, but I love these silk scrunchies from Slip. I think they're really, really, really nice. I have one of them is completely stretched out. It's the one from a couple years ago. Last year's was brown. This year's is pink. Actually, I don't hate getting these. And my hair is long enough for and at night I actually tie it up at the top of my head. So my curls kind of come down like, and they call it the pineapple. I pineapple my hair. So using a silk scrunchie like this is great because it doesn't really leave dents in my hair and I'm not tying it super tight. I just need to get it up and off of my head so that I don't wake up with flat curls in the morning and I don't have to wash my hair and wet it every day. So I love having stuff like this. This is so far like the perfect bag for me. Okay, so what color is this? Yes, this is the shade that I have. This is the Yummy Skin Flushed from Danessa Myricks. This is the Blurring Balm Powder. This is the blush, and this is the Rosé and Brunch. I love this. Let me find mine really quick. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one sealed because I already have one of these, but this is such a beautiful shade. It's just enough and not too much. And one of those products that if you like matte but very beautifully pigmented, easy to blend out sorts of products, you'd really like these. I love this formula from Danessa Myricks. I've got a couple of these. I even have one of the kind of low lighters, like the highlights that she put out that have just a little bit of color to them. I love this balm formula. I prefer it more when it comes to blush or highlight than I do when it comes to like the original, like for the face balm. But I think it's a really intriguing formula. It wears really well. It lasts all day long. You just have to make sure you don't put on too much. And if I'm not wrong, I think this is the lightest shade in the flushed formula. I have another one that's really bright. It's almost like a tangerine orange. It's beautiful, but that one is kind of like danger, danger. You have to be so careful not to put on too much. But it's a product that I really like, and now I'll have one to share with a friend. I saw that it was Vzy Art, and I'm like, do I have this one? This is the London Etoile. No, I don't have this one. I do love these little tiny 8 pans. They're so beautiful. Okay, let me just bing, bing, take this off. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I normally stay far away from shades like this very purple shade here, but I could definitely see myself using the rest of this. I like that we have this light shade here, some golds, kind of like a mid-toned brown. And then these are the darkest shades that we have. And if I really wanted a pop, or I really wanted to see if I could get like royal purple eyeshadow to work for me, I have some of that right here. But I really feel like this is a great palette. I never would have purchased it for myself, but I'm interested to try it. I have a fairly large and extensive collection of Vzy Art palettes. I don't have all of them, but I really love Vzy Art. They're the one brand, eyeshadow brand, that when they put out something new, I always quickly look and assess, is that going to be something that is going to work for me? Is that going to be something that I'm going to be able to use? Because their latest releases have just been delish. Okay, I'm noticing something here. I am getting some puddling in the corner. And I feel like right on that line where your lip goes from the outside to the inside, where it might catch a little bit of saliva, that it's turning it to kind of like a milky pink tone. Okay, not loving that. We'll have to see. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I do have this little cloth here. And I'm going to take it off of that center portion where my lips touch, just to make sure that sometimes I have to learn a little bit about a gloss as we go along. Do I have to lightly apply it? Can I pile it on? Does it go outside of my lip lines? And I think that that's just kind of like the getting to know a new product. This might be one of those that I can't get like in the corners or like right on this part of my lip, because if I do, it'll do what it was just doing, and that is not what I like. But I do like the color. This might be a high maintenance red, which would make it a less frequently pulled for lip option, but could be fun for summer. Oh, look, a Charlotte Tilbury quad. This is Pillow Talk Dreams, a luxury palette eyeshadows. I don't have the original Pillow Talk. I don't have like and this is Pillow Talk Dreams. It's got just the regular Charlotte Tilbury packaging. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Okay, I'm excited about this. This looks like something I could totally get behind, and I do love a small quad. So the fact that I've got a quad and a little 8-pan, these little teeny tiny eyeshadow palettes are my favorite style of palette because they're not too big, they're not too bulky, they've got a limited number of shades. The minute you give me 30 shades, I'm way too overwhelmed. I love smaller palettes, and I really feel like I can get a really beautiful look. And if I pair this with this, I think I would also really like the way that it turns out. Last thing in the box is from Sonia G. And this, ooh, how pretty is this? This is the classic face brush. It's so soft. I wonder if this is one of the travel ones, because I'm used to face brushes from Sonia G being just a little bit taller. It's probably a travel brush, but it's super soft. I feel like this brush would work for a multitude of things. You could use it for blush. You could use it for highlight. You could probably use it for like powdering your under eye or pinpoint targeting like powder in specific areas. Is it the largest brush ever? No, but I like how small it is, because that would really help me like when I'm trying to get like right here in the inner corner and powder my inner corner. Or if I'm trying to get like into the nose, I love how flexible it is. It's super soft. It feels like a little kitten. It's so soft. So this is one of those multi-use things. I'm going to have a harder time storing it because all of my storage tends to be, you know, like taller, like from here to here. So I'm going to have to be careful where I put this because I don't want to ruin any of the bristles in this super soft brush. So totaling everything up, I came to a value of $282.33. You might be asking, where did the 33 cents come from? Okay, I think this is a sample. Like one little scrunchie in a bag is not something you can buy on the Slip website or on the Beautylish website. So if you were to get a pack of scrunchies, I think the smallest pack that Beautylish sells is a pack of 3. If you divide $22 by 3, this comes out to $7.33. So that's where the 33 cents came from. But you know, $282 is pretty good. Was there one thing in here that I already had? Yes, but this is one of those products that I like enough that I'm excited to gift it to somebody else, because I love this product and this shade is beautiful and it works on so many people. I think that the things that I'm most excited about is this little face brush, as well as the 2 eyeshadow palettes, especially the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams. So it comes down to if it was worth it for me, and I think yes, it was. I think part of that is the fact that some of these things in here, although I never would have chosen them specifically for myself, I think I'm going to really, really love. Like this is one of those. Probably also the Vzy Art palette. Other things that I love is I don't know that I would have ever tried Sonia G brushes. The first year she launched, they put them in a Beautylish lucky bag. Everybody, I think, got a Sonia G brush, and I've been head over heels for them. So I love being introduced to brands that I've never heard about. I like trying products that $65 for a gloss, I'm never going to pay that price unless I fall in love with this and it's like the best thing ever. I mean, I don't know. So that's what's great about it. It's like trying things that I would never have purchased for myself because of the price. Even silly enough, this. I love silk scrunchies, but the price of $22 for 3 of them seems a little exorbitant to me, so I don't buy them. But I kind of hoard and am very careful with the silk ones, the slip ones that I get in my Beautylish lucky bags, because I've gotten 3 of them over the last 3 years, and I still have all 3 of them. I know exactly where they are, and when one of my kids takes them, that's mine. Give it back. So I really feel like that's the good part about the lucky bag, is that you might be introduced to something that you'd never tried before and now it's like a new favorite. Or you might get a color that you wouldn't normally use, but you actually find out that it's lovely and it's really ideal for you. I think that's the really, really cool thing. And if there's something in it that doesn't work for you, you can always pass it along to a friend. I'm glad I picked up the lucky bag this year. I don't think my bag was particularly lucky. I feel like it was just a good XL bag. Everything in here has value. I'm going to be able to use everything except for the thing I'm going to give to a friend. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let me know, did you get a bag? If you did, what came in your bag? Do you like watching unboxings like this? This is the only mystery bag or mystery box that I get every year. I quit doing subscription boxes a long time ago, but this one still has a special place in my heart and holds value for me. And so for that reason alone, I think I'm going to continue to purchase it. So let me know, did you get it? Do you like it? Is this something that's worth it for you? Thanks for watching today. Have a remarkable day, and I'll see you again soon.